Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to share a document on Google Docs in 2025. Whether you're collaborating on a project at work, school, or with friends, Google Docs makes it easy to share and edit files in real time. This feature has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's get started step by step. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Google account and have the document you want to share open in Google Docs. It's that simple interface we all know and love. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a blue Share button. Click on that, and a window will pop up. This is where the magic happens. In this window, you can add people directly by typing their email addresses. Google will suggest contacts from your Gmail if you have them saved, which is a handy time saver. But wait, there's more. You can also generate a shareable link that anyone with the link can access. Next, pay attention to the permission settings. By default, it might be set to Editor, which allows others to make changes, but you can change that to Viewer if you just want them to see the document without editing, or Commenter for feedback only. This helps keep your work secure and controlled. Once you've added the emails or generated the link, hit Send to email invitations, or simply copy the link to share via chat or social media. One quick tip: if you're sharing with a large group, using the link is often faster. Also, remember you can always revoke access later by going back to the share settings and removing people. There you have it, sharing made easy. If you follow these steps, you'll be collaborating like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.